What if I told you the most important punch a Southpaw can learn isn't a punch? It's a key. A key that unlocks every dominant angle, every setup, and every knockout available to you. And the reason you're struggling is because you're using it like a club to break down the door, when you should be using it to simply turn the lock. Here's a statistic that pros understand and beginners don't. In over 80% of knockdowns from a Southpaw's straight left, the fight was already won before the punch was even thrown. Because the punch isn't the event. The event is achieving a dominant geometric position from which the straight left is simply the inevitable, logical conclusion. You're obsessed with the impact. Pros are obsessed with the setup. In this video, I'm giving you the complete system, the mechanics, the setups, and the targets to turn your left hand into a fight-ending precision weapon. Part 1. The mechanics. First, the weapon itself. A perfect straight left is not pushed, it is launched. The power comes from the ground. As you throw, your rear left foot pivots hard, your hip rotates violently, and your shoulder fires in a straight line. Your fist is just the bullet. Your entire body is the rifle. It must be perfectly straight, no looping, no wasted motion. It is a direct line from your chin to the target. That's what makes it so fast and so hard to see. But even the best rifle is useless if you don't know how to aim it. These are the 3 essential setups. Setup 1. The jab. The jab is your spotter. It's not for damage. You use it to blind them, to occupy their guard, and to measure the distance. The instant your jab touches them, your straight left should already be launching. Setup 2. The angle. This is the most strategic setup. You must win the lead foot battle. Take a hard step to your right, getting your lead foot outside theirs. From this dominant angle, their vision is obscured and your power line is wide open. The straight left from here is almost impossible to defend. Setup 3. The feint. This is the advanced play. You feint the jab, or a lead hook, forcing them to react and create an opening. The moment they bite on the fake, you fire the real shot. You are punishing them for their own reaction. If you're ready to turn your tools into weapons, hit that subscribe button. We build strategists, not just brawlers. You've aimed the rifle. Now where do you send the bullet for maximum damage? There are 3 primary targets. Target 1, the chin, the classic knockout button, a straight shot down the pipe. Target 2, the solar plexus, the body's reset button. A hard shot here will temporarily paralyze them and drain their gas tank. Target 3, the liver, the ultimate cheat code. Because of your open stance, the opponent's liver is on the open side. A straight left to the body is a direct line to a fight-ending liver shot. It is the Southpaw's most devastating secret weapon. That is the system. Stop throwing random left hands. Start thinking like a sniper. The straight left is your key to victory, if you treat it with the respect it deserves. Which of these 3 setups are you going to drill first? The jab, the angle, or the feint? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to master your arsenal, subscribe now. And to see how this all fits into the bigger picture, watch my Southpaw vs. Orthodox footwork battle guide right here on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.